Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a brand new vlog for all of you. So everyone, today the time is 7:25, you can see in my screen, and today is Saturday guys. So happy weekend to all of you. So actually everyone, weekend comes after every 5 days, so that one day at least we get, especially the job persons, to go outside to enjoy with their near and dear ones. So yeah, that's it, nothing else. So today I am going outside for just a dinner guys. It will be a very simple blog where I will just share with all of you that which restaurant in Hyderabad I am going to go today for dinner, and what are the food items that I am going to try, and also I'll give you the honest food review guys of that particular restaurant. So that's it, and the restaurant name I'll tell you at the middle of the vlog after I reach there. So that's it guys, I hope all are doing good. So please do watch the vlog until the end everyone, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's start the vlog. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, now the time is 7:41, and it has, the weather is little bit not good, might be it can rain, I'm feeling. So yeah, that's it. Last weekend also I couldn't go outside here because where I'm staying in Hyderabad, that particular place, it was been raining very heavily on last Saturday, so I was not able to go outside, and that is the reason I was not able to post any vlog in the channel on the last week. So yeah, that's it. Please do subscribe to the channel everyone, because each and every vlog is done with a lot of dedication and hard work. So yeah, keep continuing watching. So everyone, it has been 8 o'clock and it was so much of air it's been there. So I'm thinking like might be rain will come, means we will be stuck in the road. So I'm just hoping that today nicely we can go, went outside, have some good food and come. So yeah, happy weekend to all of you, and keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, I came to Dilshuk Nagar, platform 65 train restaurant. So actually I have checked in the Google, you can see this board, platform 65 train restaurant. So I've checked in the Google for the best reviewed restaurant at Hyderabad. So I got this search, it has a rating of 4.6 guys. So today I came here and I'm going to try the food, and I'm going to review you at the end of this vlog that how the food is and also about the restaurant. So keep it. So everyone, I came to this restaurant. This is platform 65 restaurant. It looks like a train. By the name only you can understand. So actually I have come here and I have booked the table and I have come here guys. So I hope the food will be good, and I'll give you the honest review of the food at the end of this vlog. So thank you very much. just now I came inside to the restaurant and the time is 8:41. Around 8:45 I have booked the table here. This is platform 65 train restaurant at Deshok Nagar. So at the end of this vlog guys, I'll give you the honest review, and regarding the complete restaurant also I've taken the clip in this video. So if you want to visit different kind of vibe restaurant like trains and all, if you like means, you can visit here. You can see this is the design they have made. Here only the train will come and they will distribute the food here only to the customers, according to me I am thinking. So yeah, that's it. Please watch the vlog until the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So keep continuing watching guys. So everyone, I have ordered my food, so I'm going to share to you what I have ordered from here. Actually, in the restaurant after I come, I will ask them that what are the best starters that I can try and the main course that I can try. So according to their suggestion, so I have taken for my starter as, the name is different, it is Murg Angara Kebab, and backside to train is coming, so please excuse me for the sound. So the first one is Murg Angara Kebab starter, and the next one that I have tried is Apollo fish, that is a fish starter, and chicken starter one, and another one from the main course I prefer to take biryani, because I do not have the idea that like which curries and all will be good, so that I thought okay, let me take dum biryani only. And from the soft drinks I have taken thumbs up to thumbs up. That's it. There are a lot of other soft drinks items, ice creams, milkshakes, all are available, and according to the variety of food, there are a lot of variety of foods. I hope the food will be good. At the end of this vlog I'll give you the honest review of this restaurant. So keep continuing watching guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, the starter came. So I think it is a fish starter, as per I am guessing. So I will try the food and I will tell you how it is like. It is good. So I have told Apollo fish to give. So they have given the Apollo fish starter. So it is good. everyone, I have tried the chili fish. First actually when I bited the fish, I felt it was good only. But slowly and gradually when I was trying one after the another pieces, there were 10 to 12 pieces in the apollo fish. It was very strong, very hard to chew in this restaurant. So I will recommend you, please do not try this apollo fish here because the taste was not good. The taste was not good and even the fish was very hard to chew. Although before taking the order I have asked them that which fish will be good or which fish will not be good. So that was my honest review guys for the first starter. Secondly, I have taken this chicken starter one. So let me try about this starter. This is quite good. Chicken is soft here. But in case of the apollo fish, it was very strong, very hard to chew. So I will recommend you not to try that starter. So yeah, that's it. Keep continuing watching the vlog. I hope you will like the vlog. So everyone, this is the biryani, and actually to be honest, the food is medium here, to be honest guys. It is medium, it's not excellent. I must not say you're excellent. The management is also not that much active here. So biryani, to be honest, I should say it is medium. Starters was the chicken starter, according to me it is good. I will not say very good or excellent, it is good. Apollo fish was really bad, so I told them might be they will manage with the bill, that one. And the biryani is okay. Actually I came here because I have seen the review in the Google is 4.6 guys. So after I tried the food here, I didn't understand that why they have given 4.6 review. Might be because of the train, some people like and given, I don't know that one. But to be honest, if you want a good dinner and you want excellent food means this is not an advisable here. And if you you don't want a calm environment and you want to eat means, then also I will not suggest you because I am such a person who likes calm environment. Here little bit of noise pollution will be there because of the trains coming and going constantly, and the place also a bit congested it is there. Other than that, it is good. If you like different kind of environment and all, it is good. So I am trying the biryani in front of all of you and I will give you the honest review. Thank you. So actually what has happened guys, the chicken pieces of the biryani, 2 chicken pieces were there. So one chicken piece was completely bone in that. So we asked them to change it. So these are some of the drawbacks which has happened here. And that's it guys, I just want to give you the honest review. Other than that, it is almost going good, everything. So at the end of this vlog, again I will tell you that whether the bill got adjusted or not, which was not good. The apollo fish was worst guys, that I was not able to eat. So anyways, be with me and please watch the vlog until the end. And I hope you are enjoying your weekend with your near and dear ones. So everyone, the food is almost at the end. So the biryani was medium, I must say, and for the mojito nearly I have to call the 15 to 20 times for giving. And today is Saturday guys, so there is so much rush in the restaurant. And this backside train, what you are saying, sometimes it gets wrongly operated, like some other table thing, it will come to some other table because they are having the remote control of this train, I guess. Mojito is normal guys, the taste is, it's normal, but to be honest I want to say this cold drinks is, each cold drink is 79 rupees. So I have actually went to lot of restaurants in Chennai also, in Hyderabad also. So I think it's overpriced. One glass of cold drink 79 rupees in this shape, it is overpriced according to me. That is my personal opinion I am saying. and that food taste wise, if I tell the honest rating is like it will be 3.3 or 3.4, not more than that. And that's it. And guys, if you also wanna come and try in a train restaurant where the food is average, means you can come. So that's it. That is the honest review I wanna say. And ambience is a bit dark, guys. It's a bit dark. In front of every above table there is a light which looks like a fan structure. You can see there. So that's it. It has been, time has been almost 9:51, almost going to be 10. So I hope you have liked today's vlog where I have shared with all of you a very simple outing vlog where I went to the restaurant and I tried a food and I have given you the honest review. So please watch the vlog until the end, guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, the food is completed in the train restaurant platform 65, which is located at Dilshuk Nagar of Hyderabad. So I came here for the first time today and I have tried the food, and each and every food that I have ordered today I have given you the honest review in the complete video. So you can watch this whole vlog to get the honest review which I have already given in the middle of this vlog. And that's it I wanna say, guys. And I have tried the starter items along with which I have informed to all of you that if you are from Hyderabad and you are coming to this restaurant, then the fish starters, please ask them which is good or which is bad or which is worst, because in my experience it was not good. The Apollo fish was very bad for me. Anyways, they will manage it with the bill, I guess. That's what they said to me. And if I speak next about the chicken starter, that was okay, not bad, that was okay. Biryani was okay, but pieces, they have given some kind of bone pieces much in that. After that they have changed it again. Once we have informed, they have changed it again. And cold drinks, as I said, I felt that it's overpriced a bit. Mojitos, okay. I have taken one Blue Lagoon mojito. So each and every starters, main courses description with I have explained in this video about the food in this vlog. So I hope you have liked this vlog. So please do watch the vlog until the end, guys, and do not forget to subscribe. And once again, I hope you are doing well and good in your weekend. And finally, they have served this hot water along with lemons, just to clean your hands after eating, which is a good thing in Hyderabad, I think, because once I was in Chennai, this particular thing was not there. So here when I came, I have seen in every restaurant they are following this procedures. So that's it, guys. I hope you have liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep continuing watching. Everyone, my food is completed and I have paid the bill. Everything is completed. They have reduced the Apollo fish, which I said it was not good, and they will adjust it at the end of the bill. So they have done it. So yeah, that's it. Everything was well, and I have actually booked the reservation through an app now. So after that, once I booked through the app, I have got a discount of around 15%, I guess. Yeah, 15%. So yeah, that's it. I will suggest you, if you like the trains and everything and environment like train means, you can visit it. But as per the food, it is not that much excellent. It is a bit average. I felt, as per my taste buds, it's my personal opinion. So I just want to share with all of you. I will share. So please do watch the vlog, guys, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So everyone, I came from outside, and presently the time is 11:45, I guess. So it had been some late because when I went out, it was already 8, and generally from my place to there will be so much of traffic, guys, at the time of 8 to 9 around in the road. So that's it. I have given you the complete review of the Platform 65 train restaurant located at Hyderabad. So I hope you will, I hope everyone have enjoyed watching today's vlog. It was a very simple vlog where I have shared my weekend with all of you. So I hope everyone will like today's vlog, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys, so that I can work more and more on my content. So that's it, guys. I hope everyone has enjoyed the weekend, nothing more. So until the next vlog, come to this channel. Till then, stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, take care, guys. Bye bye, good night.